Num Number 2. Can you guess what is this picture? It's something in the sky, like the Earth, like Mercury.
Uh,
It's a planet Muhammad al-Tantawi. Do you know the letters?
I know.
Yes. Pla.
PLA
Yes.
NT.
NET. Thank you very much. Omar Abdulaziz. What is picture number 3?
I want to do picture number 5.
You want to do number 5? No problem. Adham Tamer. Number 4.
To be honest, this isn't clear at all.
Again, please.
To be honest, this isn't clear at all.
We have this is in what?
Yeah, the pictures aren't really that clear.
Yes, it's a sleep. Do you know the letters? SL.
LEEP.
Yes, I agree with you. Pictures are not very clear. Now, Adham, can you do number 5? Sorry, Omar Abdulaziz. Can you do number 5? Yes, fountain. Do you know the letters? It's FOUNTAIN. Fountain. Yasin?
Mr. Me. Yes, Mister.
Can you guess what is the picture number 6?
Number 6.
Yes.
Tired.
Excellent. Do you know the letters?
Yes. TIR
E.
RED.
Well done, Yasin. Anas Maysara?
Yes.
Can you guess what is the picture number 7?
Bamboo.
Good. Can you tell the letters?
BAMBO.
Good. BAMBO, I think. Thank you, Anas. Adam Sameh. Adam Sameh.
Yes.
Can you guess what is picture number 8? It's a gas station. Okay.
Yes.
Can you guess the letters of the station? S, stay. ST, stay. Yes, stay. STA. And always Shan is TION. No, when you hear Shan, it's TION. Gas station. Thank you. Abdullah Gazar. Abdullah Gazar. Can you guess what is the picture number 9? It's the nose of the elephant. It may be trunk.
Trunk.
Yes. Can you remember the letters of trunk? TRUNK. Okay, Abdullah? Indicate. Thank you, Abdullah. Ahmed Sharif. Ahmed Sharif.
Yes.
Can you guess what is number 10? The nose and mouth of a bird. What do we call it in English?
Beak.
Excellent. Do you remember the letters?
PE.
Good. A, K.
I,
A, K.
A,
Now, students, I need you to repeat after me, please. Mechanic.
mechanic,
Mechanic.
mechanic,
Mechanic.
Mechanic.
Mechanic, students, is good. Mechanic is someone who repairs the cars. Mechanic is someone who repairs the cars. Giraffe.
giraffe,
Giraffe.
Of course, the giraffe is an animal. We all know it. Planet.
Planet.
Planets is a body in the sky, like Earth, like Pluto, like Mercury. It's a body in the sky. Sleep.
Sleep.
Yes.
Sleep.
Fountain.
Fountain.
Fountain is a machine which pumps water. Fountain is a machine which pumps water. Tire.
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 Good.
Bamboo.
Let me check the pronunciation first.
Is the planet in the space?
Yes, like Adham Tamer said, it's bamboo. Repeat, please. Bamboo.
Bamboo.
Good. You know what is bamboo, students?
Yes, I know it.
It's a plant. It's a plant. Okay. And there is an animal which likes to eat it. It is called the panda. Yes.
Panda.
Good. Repeat after me.
The panda.
Good. That's right. Gas station.
Gas station.
Gas station. Gas station is a place which sells the petrol. Gas station is a place which sells the petrol. When you have a car, you have to go to gas station to fill in the car with petrol. Repeat after me. Trunk. Trunk, students, is the nose of the elephant. It looks like a tube which the elephant uses to drink water and to cut plants and put it in his mouth. Beak.
Beak.
Beak. Beak is the mouth of the bird. It is called the beak. Beak is the mouth of the bird. I'm going to erase. Don't worry about that because I am recording the video. You can go to the video and write whenever you need.
What is this thing?
Marwan Amr,
yeah,
look at picture number 11. What is happening here?
EX,
Yes, EX, but what is the word?
R, ER,
Good. EX, ER. C,
C,
yes,
RE,
I,
I,
S,
R,
E.
Mister, I think it's expensive.
Expensive?
Yes.
Well, it is not clear enough for me. Let me look at the original book. Yes, that's expensive because it's 3,000 pounds. Sorry, Marwan. There's not the correct word. The correct word is expensive. Do you know, students, what is the meaning of expensive?
Yes, something that many money.
When you pay a lot of
money.
money, yes, when it costs a lot of money, it's expensive. And that's because it's 3,000 for a kind of laptop, maybe. Yes, I think it's a laptop. Thank you, Marwa.
That's piano.
Anyway, Ali Muhammad,
yes,
do you know what is the picture number 12?
No, it's not clean.
Yes.
Stamp, Mr. Stamp. You stamp. Stamp.
10 p.
But I
10,
think it's stamp.
10 piasters,
Stamp.
right?
Stamp. No, stamp. Stamp.
Stand.
Stamp.
Mr. Stamp.
الثوب. Stamp. Stamp.
Excuse me, who is talking now?
Me.
Okay. Answer. Letters, please. Answer.
It's stamp. Stamp.
Stamp. Good.
Yes.
Stamp. Students, do you know what's a stamp?
We put it in
No.
the mail. We put it
No.
in the mail.
It's a kind.
No.
Yes, stamp is a kind of a sticky card. When you write a letter, you put it on the envelope when you wanted to send it to another country or another place. Once again, when you write a letter in paper, you put the letter in an envelope. Then you need to buy a stamp. You buy the stamp from the post office. It has the slogan of the country in which the letter is going to travel to. In short, stamp is something that we put on the letter. What is a stamp? Stamp is the something which you put on the letter. What is a stamp, student? It's something which we put on the letter.
Okay.
We move on.
Mr. Me, please.
We take turns. Anas Ahmed Fadl.
Yes.
Do you know what is number 13?
Fairy.
Good. Can you guess the letters?
S
F
A
E
I
F E R.
R Y.
Good. Fairy. What is the meaning of fairy, students? It looks like a boat or ship. It looks like a boat or ship.
Chip.
Good. Anas Walid.
Yes.
Next, please.
Young.
Good.
Young.
Young. Do you know the letters of young? So Y, O,
O
yes.
U,
U,
N
N, G. Excellent.
G.
Young. Well done. Young. Asser, is this you, Asser Shinawi?
Asser Sharif.
Asser Sharif? Okay, Asser
Yes.
Sharif. Next, please. 1 foot
What?
and 1 foot. Together, we call them the plural of foot. What is it? Yes. Go. What? Feet. Well done. Do you know the letters of feet?
F
F,
F E
T. Thank you. So one only is foot. Two together are feet. It's irregular plural.
Just don't answer.
Excuse me?
Don't answer.
This what?
I don't answer.
Yes, many didn't answer. I asked only 13.
There are two
Ibra-
answers in the class, miss.
Ibrahim Am?
Yes.
Do you know what is picture number 16?
Number what?
16. I think it's metal money. Do you
It's
know?
coin. It's coin.
Coin. Do you know the letters? C-O, C-O-I-N. Okay, coin. Thank you, Ibrahim. ملك الحضري. ملك الحضري.
Yes, yes.
Do you know what is this animal?
No.
Hippo.
Hippo. Do you remember the letters ملك?
H-E-H-I-P-O.
H-I-P-P-O. Thank you very much. Marwan, Marwan Amr answered it before. But this is Marwan. Marwan,
Yes, I am Marwan Rafi.
Marwan Rafa? Okay.
Yes.
Marwan Rafa. Do you know what is picture 18?
I don't know.
It comes from the tree. We use it to make chairs, tables. It is a material that we take from a tree. I will help you with the next letter. It's O.
Word.
Good. Wood. Thank you very much. Marwan, Marwan Am, did you answer before?
Yes, I am answer.
محمد عمرو التليني. محمد عمرو التليني.
Yes.
Do you know what is number 19?
90. Market.
Market. Do you know? I didn't know that before. I thought it's meat. Market. Thank you, Muhammad Am. Muhammad Atiyah.
Yes.
Do you know what is number 20? It's a tower.
Me.
Tower.
Oh.
Do you know the missing letters?
No.
T-O-W-E-R. Tower. Now, students, I need you to repeat these words, please. Expensive.
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 Stand.
Expensive.
Very.
Very.
Young.
Very.
Feet. Coin. Hippo. Food. Market.
Tower.
Students, do you know, students, what is the meaning of a stamp? Do we use it on letters? Do we buy the stamp from the post office? Let me help you with a clear picture of a stamp. Look at these pictures. Does it mean anything for you now?
Yeah, I remember now.
I know it.
Okay.
Damn. Yes.
Do we use it on letters?
I know it.
Yes, I am asking all in general. When you write a letter, you put a stamp here. Now, is it clear enough for you?
Yes.
Good. We go back. So we go back to our
Yes.
question. Stamp finished. The last
Stamp.
group, yes.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yes, you can. The last group of words. Yusuf Goda. Yusuf Goda. Yusuf Goda. Well, Ammar Abdurrahman.
Yes, master.
Next word, please. It's a kind of card that you write to your friend when you travel. It looks like a letter, but it is smaller, and it doesn't need an envelope. It's a kind of a card that you write on when you travel to another country, and then you send it to your friend.
What?
Post. Let me help you with the first part of the word, post. Now, can you guess the last part of the word? Good. Continue. Don't worry if it is wrong, it's okay. It's a postcard. Repeat, please. Postcard. Repeat.
Postcard.
Everyone repeat, please. Postcard.
Postcard.
Yes, postcard.
Postcard.
Good. Postcard is a small card in which you write when you travel to another country.
What is a card, not card?
Excuse me? Anyway. Yusuf Zanfali,
Yes.
look at picture 22, please. You have here the grandfather and the grandmother together.
Grandparent.
Well done. Do you know the letters?
A.
Good.
N.
Good.
D.
Well done.
P.
P.
A.
Yes. R.
Or
E. N.
E and M
T.
and ES.
Yes. Good. Grandparents. Thank you. Students, I think we have a problem in 23. It's Muhammad Omar Zahra.
Me.
Yes, Muhammad Omar Zahra. Do you know what is number 23?
Ruler. Ruler.
No, it is, I think, Muhammad Omar, I think it's a flute. I think R here is wrong. I think this is flute. Yes.
read by.
Again,
Read by.
red pipe.
Yes.
You mean like this?
Yes.
R-E-E-D,
Yes.
reed pipe.
Yes, mister.
Is this reed pipe? Is this true?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Do you think
Yes,
do you think the picture is a picture of a flute?
no.
No,
It's food. I think it's food. Read by.
Yes, because the flute is made from reed also, and it is pipe. Reed pipe, maybe. That makes sense.
الفلوس زيها. الفلوس زيها.
Flute looks the same.
Yes.
Who didn't answer before, students? Muhammad Mustafa, did you answer before? Muhammad Mustafa? Muhammad Mustafa, are you here? Muhammad Mustafa? Yes, Muhammad. Can you guess what is number 24? It's a forest. But what kind of forest? It has a lot of rain. I think it's rain forest. What do you think, students? Is it correct?
Yes.
Now I need you to repeat, please. Postcard.
Postcard.
Grandparents.
Grandparents.
Reed pipe. Rainforest. This is the second page. This is easier page. In this exercise, we need to match the pictures to the words with the same sound.
Okay.
Mr. Connect or Connect Plus?
It is the activity book. On the next page, Connect Plus activity book. Yes, who didn't answer before? Hamada Zidan.
Yes, Mister.
Can you guess picture number 2? Hamza?
Number 2.
Hamza Zidan. Yes. Match the picture to the words with the same sound. Rise. Like rise.
Rice.
Yes. Cheese cries here. It is the same sound as fries. That's why we match it fries to the girl who cries. Now look at this man with hair.
Press.
Press.
Yes. Ear.
But I think this man has beard. Beard has the same sound of ear.
Yes.
I think we should match it like that.
Ear. Yeah, it does.
Okay.
Thank you,
This
Hamza.
is over.
What?
This is over.
The page is over? I don't understand. Who didn't answer before, students? Asr Shinawi, did you answer today?
What?
Did you answer today?
No. What's number 2?
Number 2, ear was peer.
Beer.
Let me choose another color. Sorry.
Sir, can I go to bathroom?
Yes, Asr. Yes, you can go to bathroom. What is picture number 3? What is the sound that matches with it? Assertion no. I think it matches with press, right?
Yeah.
Because this is present, press, present, right? Who didn't answer today? I have here 26 names. Does any one of you didn't hear his name?
Me.
What's your name, please?
Yes.
Okay, S, number 4.
Train truck.
Train truck. Thank you very much. Repeat the students, please. Prize.
Prize.
Prize. Ear. Ear. Present.
Present.
Press.
Press.
Train. Truck. Now we circle the word with different initial. Initial sound means the first sound. Initial sounds means the first sound. Pah, pah, press. Tah, tah, train. Tah, tah, truck. Press is a different word. Now let's start over. Yusuf Muhammad Zanfali. Yusuf? Yusuf? We have here spring, sprint, jump. Which one has different the first sound?
The ring, ran,
Sa.
jump,
Yes. Jump.
jump.
Jump is a
Jump.
different sound. That's right. Put a circle here.
I don't understand.
don't answer.
Look, the initial sounds mean the first sound. In this word, the first sound is sa. In that word, the first sound is also sa. But this word, the first sound is ja. So sa and sa are similar. Ja is different. That's why we circled it. Did you get the meaning now?
Yes.
Good. Yasin?
Yes, yes.
Strong, string, spring. Which one has different sound?
Strong, spring, spring. Strong.
Sta, strong, sta, string, spa, spring. The first sound here, which is different, is in spring because it's spa, spa. But here in string and the strong is the same. St, sta, sta, spa. This is a different word. Okay, Yasin?
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Adham Tamer, next please.
Flood.
Flood. That's right. Pa, plain, pa, plant, fla, flood. This is a different one. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mister, I don't answer.
Answer. Answer.
Fred.
Fred. What's your name, please?
Muhammad Omar.
Please, Mr. Me, please.
Thank you, Muhammad Omar. Yes, you can answer.
Okay.
Cloud,
Cloud,
play.
Cloud, clock, play.
Play is a different one. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Listen and circle the silent letter. Lam. Lam.
Lamb.
Ahmed Sharif. Which
D.
is P? That's right. Wrist.
Yes.
Wrist.
W.
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 That's right.
Hey.
W. Not.
K.
K.
Hey.
It is always silent if it is followed by N. Thumb.
B.
B. Thumb.
Repeat, please, students. Lamb.
Lamb.
Wrist.
Lamb.
Wrist.
Not.
Wrist.
Not.
Thumb.
Thumb.
Good. This is everything, I think. If we go back to the weekly study plan, we have these 2 pages and we finished them. We can move to the homework to start in it, on those pages. Let me open it. In these few seconds, we can discuss it together.
Mister, we have homework.
Yes, you have.
Homework. طب مستر تبعته على الواتساب؟
Yes, I will. Those pages.
Yes.
This one. We can start on it now. What is Tariq doing? He is playing the piano. Present continuous is verb ing. Present continuous is verb ing. Number 2. Do you get up at 6 o'clock? Question starting with do. The answer is yes, I do, or no, I don't. We have yes, she does. It doesn't match with you. the subject here is you. The subject here is she. But in H, we have I. And we have don't. They match with two. Number 3. What was that? What was that?
The flamingo.
It was a flamingo. What is flamingo?
Something like pink.
Like what?
Something
Or that
it
pink.
has a long neck and a long and also long legs.
What?
Two long legs.
Upstairs.
This bird. This is flamingo.
Yes, yes.
Yes, true one.